go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestial. Celestial.
This alien is the next stage on intelligence. One of the many incredible beings that have been discovered on Darwin IV. Scientists name him Eosapian. One of the main antagonists for Alien Planet. And, well, I wouldn't say antagonist, more like final level for Ike and Leo. After their first encounter, the Eosapiens destroyed them. I really don't understand why the heck would they do something like that. They would have cooperated and coexisted peacefully. Here are the fingers that are part of Eosapien's body. Apparently, Eosapien is much more complex and more superior than us. He should have been on Alien Worlds, a place, an extraterrestrial show on Netflix. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud.
Here's his
Things don't look up
blade.
when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel.
These are the radar that are attached to the Eosapien's body. Okay, Alexa, tell me something about astronomy.
Astronomy is a natural science that studies celestial objects and phenomena. It uses mathematics, physics, and chemistry in order to explain their origin and evolution. Objects of interest include planets, moons, stars, nebulae, galaxies, and comets. Relevant phenomena include supernova explosions, gamma-ray bursts, quasars, blazars, pulsars, and cosmic microwave background radiation.
Okay, That's a start. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw this line here. Drawing this crest on top of his upper half. We're gonna get to that after this. There we go. Here are the tentacles for, well, these are the fingers for Eosapian. The last time I saw these guys were at the Smithsonian. These things have bags of, well, certain types of oxygen for lift. That's how they defy gravity. It's like the gravity there isn't really settle.
You see tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and embrace, and to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when
There we go.
the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds.
Here's the bag on his upper half. Here's the mark on his upper half. It looks more like a mask. Looks like Venom's face.
See the light shining through the rain. 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back around? Things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space, celestial.
Here are the lines for
We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really
there we go.
matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk
And finished. That is how you draw Eosapien. Sorry this took so long, fans. When I draw stuff, I take it seriously. You understand, don't you? Anyway, I'm adding this to the Prehistoric Life playlist. I don't know why, but it belongs to there anyway. It's just like last time. Sorry I took so long, but I did it for you guys. That's all for now, guys.